What's up guys, FPV here, and today we have the FPVCRATE Stark frame. This came in a few months ago box, and I was actually not expecting to make this video. I'm actually getting ready to make my Joshua Bardwell F7 wiring guide for that flight controller that just came out, and I was going to use this frame, and I opened it up, and I was like, wow, I'm actually kind of impressed for a $50 frame. So I wanted to show it to you guys. Video link, not video link, but link below for the Stark frame if you want to check that out and pick one up. And I will also be linking my JBF4 wiring guide if you want to check that out as well. That should be coming out probably before this video, actually. Hopefully. But anyway, let's go ahead and get on to what's so special about this frame. So not only does it come in a nice little box, presented really, really well. You open it up, and I never actually seen this before. Such detailed instructions of how to assemble it. I mean, take a look at this. And this is really, really well documented of how to assemble it, what screws, and what really set it apart was it has the labels for the screws, and not only everything is labeled in here. So we have our standoffs, we have our M3 by 6mm screws, our stack hardware, M3 by 10s, then we have our plates here, our arms, and our top plate. So what we're going to go ahead and do is I want to assemble it real quick. The detailed instructions are really easy to follow, and then we'll talk about a little bit about the frame and talk about some features of it. So let's go ahead and really quickly assemble it. Alright, so we got the frame all assembled. I do want to take one note is when you are assembling the bottom, make sure you put the stack screws in first and then put in the other screws. It makes assembly a lot easier because I had to take it apart a couple times to get those in. So that was one thing I did caveat that I didn't have during assembly, but that can be easily avoided. But this is the frame fully assembled. As I said, it is a pretty nice looking frame. I love how it has the solid mounting of the camera, and you can either switch these plates either way for different types of cameras that you're using, either a 1-hole or a 3-hole. And then we do have these nice long stack screws. Comes with everything for your stack, which I didn't put in yet. Comes with all the screws and everything, the spacers, so you don't have to worry about having the right screws. Now let's go ahead and do a weight real quick. So I'm coming at 96 grams. Now they were advertising at 123 grams, so I'm not sure if it's because my scale might be on this mat. But just keep in mind, I think it is 123 grams. So my micrometer battery died, but the arms are 5mm. Top plate is 3 and bottom plate is 3mm thick. Does have these nice chamfered edges, which does make it feel like a very nice quality frame, even though it's only $50. A lot of the quality frames, you know, with chamfered edges and everything, everything, usually around $100. So this is a really nice little frame, especially since it came in an FPVCRATE box. I was really impressed with it. One more thing is that it does only accept 5-inch props. So if you're looking at 5.1-inch props, they may not fit. But we'll check that out when this frame and quad is fully assembled. But if you want to check out the Joshua Bardwell F7 wiring video, I'll be leaving a link to that down below. But this is FPV, and I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.